Hello guys, this is Rahman and you are watching Thoughts of Billionaires YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talking about the mesothelioma cancer. So we are now mesothelioma.com helping mesothelioma patients since 1996. You can visit here for no details. So let's check the mesothelioma treatments. The most common mesothelioma treatments include surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. Clinical trials also continue to test emerging treatments. Although there is no cure for mesothelioma, treatment can provide symptoms relief and extend life. Exchanges request a free 2021 mesothelioma guide. Let's check what's Dr. F. Perry Wilson said this video.
In general, what surgeons want to see is that the disease is limited to just one side of the chest. The second thing is that they want to make sure that the patient is healthy enough to tolerate surgery. Now, that surgery can be as small as removing a small area of cancer around the lining of the lung to removing the entire lung itself. And it's a big decision to decide whether surgery is a good option. If
Yeah, so here learn more about surgery. Surgery is a common treatment option for mesothelioma. Doctors may perform surgery to diagnose cancer, remove malignant tissue, or relieve patient symptoms. Surgery for the mesothelioma is often parts of multimodal treatment plan. It may be used with chemotherapy and or radiation therapy. What are the type of surgery available for mesothelioma? There are many types of mesothelioma surgeries. These options differ based on the goal of the producer of mesothelioma location. There are three reasons of mesothelioma patient may undergo surgery: diagnosis, removal of tumors and cancerous tissues, and symptoms management. So diagnostic surgery for mesothelioma, doctors may recommended a biopsy or to diagnose malignant mesothelioma. A biopsy is the removal of fluid or tissue sample for analysis. It is the only way to definitively confirm its diagnosis of mesothelioma. Biopsies can manually invasive, however, some are considered open surgical. In the impact tissue or fluid may be more difficult to reach. You can check out your mesothelioma doctors. Here's connect with the top mesothelioma doctor. Asbestos is a mineral that can cause multiple cancer and illness, including mesothelioma. Exposure is the most common in the workplace, but can also happen in the home, in the military, and or through asbestos production. Asbestos is not fully banned in the United States and countries to pose a health risk. What is asbestos? Asbestos is six naturally occurring minerals that are heat and fire resistant. Various industries and products use asbestos for decrease. When asbestos materials become damaged or distribute, individual may inhale or swallow airborne fibers. Asbestos exposure can cause serious health problems such as malignant mesothelioma, lung cancer. Why the asbestos is dangerous? Asbestos is dangerous when fibers becomes airborne. Once an individual inhale or ingests asbestos, the fiber cannot be removed from the body. The fiber may embed into the tissue and cause irritation and scarring over time. This may lead to cancer or other health effects. So let's hear this picture. You can see here how asbestos causes mesothelioma. Asbestos and the World Trade Center. One of the most infamous examples of short-term asbestos exposure is the 9/11 attacks on the World Trade Center. Those that worked or lived in the area surrounded ground zero may have been exposed to short-term of asbestos exposure.